Hello and welcome to the channel with no catchphrase. This morning I'm going to go to one of my favourite roads here in near Aylesbury, and I'm going to film the same stretch 3 times. Why? Well, I've always wondered what is the best point of view, camera-wise, to transmit a certain emotion. So, for example, I believe that camera mount, chin mount, as at the moment is ideal for that kind of vlogging, first-person experience, like you're with the rider in the helmet. Chest mount, I think, gives the sensation of being in the bike, being the rider in the bike as part of the bike. Then, of course, you've got the bike mount, like here on my Super Quad Lock adapter. Video in the description below and above and all over. Ideal for that kind of more track day experience, the real speed. That's my theory, and from what I kind of gathered by videos I've seen. I'd decide to put the same bit of footage, same road, back to back. Now I haven't got 3 cameras, so I can't do it all at the same time. So I'll just try and ride the same road.
So I tried to match the same sort of speed, just 60 miles an hour-ish. It was rather short, the little bimble. I hope it's enough to analyse. We shall see. If not, I'll do it a bit longer next time. However, my main plan is just to understand the best to use for the best situation.
Now, my personal opinion, having a quick look on the camera screen, is that the chest mount is brilliant. It's like you're the rider, but you got the, the kind of speed of the bike, and it feels, like the real movement of the bike. However, if I'm out doing a vlog, well, that's no good. When I'm at a traffic light and I'm turning to tell a member of the group, that they're too slow, they're too fast, or that they're paying for lunch. You can't really do that. So it would be great, wouldn't it, to have 3 cameras mounted, all different points of view, and the 360. And look, yeah, but that's just getting silly. It becomes more work than fun, and I don't do this for a job. So I'm going to get home now, put it together in a little short video, and then you can decide. I'd love to hear your opinions in the comments below, so please chat away. Thanks a lot. I'll see you soon. But, well, seeing as I'm here, let's have a blast.